Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of brightness not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, we will change the settings. Now why? Ideally, we can manage the brightness through the system tray, but there is a problem with this. I'll show you. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab and select display and click on the downward pointing arrow associated with display. There is this option for automatic lighting and it changes the brightness based on content. Now usually it is selected at on battery only by default and I wish to turn it off. You should also turn it off. Why? Because when this setting is off, now you can change the brightness manually as per your own accord. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update graphics card drivers. How is this done? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Now expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the display adapter and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The last solution is a clean boot. Why do we perform a clean boot? So we just changed a setting in the settings menu of Windows that was adjusting the brightness of the computer on its own. But this can also be done by a lot of third-party apps, optimizer apps. And to change this figure, you can make sure that no third-party program launches at startup, and then you can isolate and remove that program which is causing the brightness issue. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, apply, and then OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.